In this video, I'm going to show you how to start Amazon affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. We're going to go from, hey, I just learned about affiliate marketing yesterday to, hey, I have the ability to make $100 per day. So make sure you watch this entire video. This is going to be a comprehensive, complete, free training. Hello, my name is Austin Godbolt, and as a successful affiliate marketer, I have earned commissions with everything from stand mixers to sound bars, security cameras, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want to learn real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to austingodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you have lying around your house. All right, so like I said, in this video, we are going to go through everything that you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing and Amazon. I'm going to show you all the tips, tricks, tactics, everything that you need to do to start making some passive income and making $100 per day. So assuming that you are completely new to Amazon, the first thing that I want you to do is go to affiliate-program.amazon.com or just type in Amazon Associates into Google. What you're going to do is you're going to go through and sign up. Sign up takes about 10 or 15 minutes, and you're going to need to add in a URL or a website, an app, or a YouTube channel. For this, if you have a blog, you're going to enter it in that spot. If you don't, create a YouTube channel and enter in the YouTube channel URL so that you can get up and running. Now that you have that, you are going to have a back office for Amazon Associates. The next thing that I want you to do is I want you to get something called SiteStripe. SiteStripe will allow you to access your affiliate links right from Amazon.com, and it's actually easier and faster to do. So what you're going to do is once you're into the back office of Amazon Associates, is you are going to go to Tools at the drop down here and click SiteStripe. You are going to install it. It takes 5 minutes to do, and once you have that, you should actually have a dashboard that looks something like this. The cool thing is you can grab your links right from here. If you want to send people directly to the Amazon homepage, you can grab it, or you can actually send people to individual products and images. It's much easier, much faster. So now that we have those two things installed, we can actually start working on making money. The first thing that you want to do is you want to pick a niche. A niche is just a cute word for a category where you're going to create content. Literally everything is a niche. You can make money in any niche, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So don't spend a ton of time thinking about the perfect niche. There's no such thing as the perfect niche. There's going to be niches that are going to be more or less competitive, so you want to make sure that you are aware of that. If you have no idea how to find a niche, one of the easiest ways is to click on all over here, the hamburger menu, and then over here where it says shop by department, these are top level niches or categories. Within these are sub niches. For example, if we click on electronics, there's all sorts of sub niches that you can get into: wearable technology, card electronics, video games, and so on. These are the different niches that you want to consider. So really there's two ways to pick a niche. One, think about a problem that has a solution. For example, someone that wants to start camping, or you can think of a product that you've recently purchased and work forward to backward. So either one can work. Again, don't spend a lot of time trying to find the perfect niche. It's more important that we move on to the next step and start thinking about our traffic source. Now, our traffic source is simply where we're going to create content. There are probably 50 traffic sources out there, everything from Reddit to Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn. Any social media site can work. But if you're just getting started, I recommend that you start with either TikTok or YouTube. These are the two fastest ways to get traffic to your product that you're promoting, or products plural. And so start there. If you look on TikTok, there are tons of people that are creating content on like Amazon Finds or Amazon Made Me Buy type stuff. That works. On YouTube, people are searching for a solution, and so that will work as well. So step number 2 is simply to pick a traffic source. Now again, if you don't want to use TikTok or you don't want to use YouTube, you can use Facebook. You can start a blog, Instagram, LinkedIn, Reddit will work as well. Any traffic source where there are millions of people hanging out, Google search, like I said, you could start a blog. Any place that there are millions of people hanging out will work. So again, pick one and then move on to the next step. The next step is simply keyword research. Now, keyword research is a cute term that basically means is you want to figure out what people want to know, what people are asking. If you are going to use YouTube, for example, you want to think about the questions that people are asking with regard to the products and services that you're recommending. For example, if we come over here to this Jackery portable power station, you want to think about the types of people that are going to use this and the types of questions that they're going to be asking. For example, if we look right in the title here, generators for outdoor camping. So people that are interested in outdoor camping might be interested in this type of generator. And so these are the questions that people are going to be asking. For example, if we come over here to YouTube, people are going to be asking like best solar generator for, and you can see best solar generator for home use, best solar generator for emergency home use, for living off the grid, for RV, for home backup. These are all questions that people are asking just based off of the title. And so we can create content based on that and answer the questions, and then we can put our affiliate links in the content. So if we look at this, and again, we're on the keyword research stage, what I recommend that you do, if you have no idea what type of questions people are asking, just come through and look at the product that you are interested in creating content and earning money with. For example, like I mentioned, solar generator for outdoor camping, solar generator for travel, fishing, and hunting. We could also look up portable power station. If we copy this, we can come over to YouTube and we can paste in portable power station. And once again, you can see people are asking all sorts of questions with regards to the product. If we just scroll through here, we spend a couple minutes, we can find a number of questions or a number of keywords that we can type in and find people to create content for. If we look at this, solar generator, solar panel, portable power station, Jackery. People are going to be asking questions about Jackery, the title or the name of the brand. If we keep scrolling, charge your camping trip, 3 ways to recharge, pair with a solar panel. You can see that there are tons of different things different questions that you could come up with just based on the product page. And so what we're doing here is we're just looking for different problems that people are having. They want to maybe charge their smartphone outside. We could say something like as simple as how to charge a smartphone without a charger. That's an interesting one because we could use something like a portable power station or how to charge a smartphone while camping, camping just like that. And what's going to happen is you're going to see that people are asking all sorts of questions. How to charge your phone whilst camping. This has 6.4 thousand views, only 2,000 subscribers. So this is a teeny tiny channel. How to keep your electronics charged while backpacking. And what we can do here is we could actually open up these different channels and look at the type of content that they're creating to get ideas and inspiration. How to charge your cell phone on a camping trip. This guy only has 341 subscribers, but he's showing up as the 5th result. And what you're going to do is you can simply answer this question and tell them that you need a Jackery. Look at this. This is actually the exact product that we had just found. 40,000 views, 100,000 subscribers. How to charge electronics while living out of a van. And so this is going to give us the ideas that we want to create content. And so you're just going to spend a little bit of time doing it. What I recommend that you do is take the keywords from this page and put them into YouTube and see where it takes you. You're going to jump down various rabbit holes and you are going to come up with a bunch of keyword ideas that you can create content. Now, my favorite types of keyword ideas, and I'm just going to draw a little pyramid here to help you out on my online whiteboard. Here I am on my online whiteboard, and here is how I like to create content. This is an inverted pyramid of your customers and how they travel through the buying cycle. Up here, they're happy. They have no worries in the world. All right. They enter into this funnel when they have a problem. For example, they're going camping and they want to keep their battery, their cell phone charged. And so they're going to come in here and they're going to search how to. All right. And as you can see here, people are typing in, whoops, we're going to close that so there's no talking, how to charge your phone battery. And you can see that works. This is going to be the widest group of people because, they're asking a very basic question. After that, they might be doing something like best X for Y. And I apologize for the writing, but once they realize that they want to get into a portable power station generator, they're going to start looking for the best power station generator under $300 or whatever their budget is. And so what happens when they travel through this life cycle is some will come down here and buy. I'm going to put a $sign right here because that's what we want to do. And some people are going to exit out. Maybe they realize that they're not going camping anymore or whatever problem they had is no longer a problem. So this is why it gets smaller as they move down the funnel. There are going to be less people moving down this funnel. So we're going to do best X for Y. In this instance, it would be best solar generator for camping, best solar generator for home use, as we saw in this example. So we could do best portable power station for is going to be our next one. So best X for Y, or best X under Y, best X under Y. All right. And so what they're going to do is they're going to do best portable power station under $300, $500, $1,000. They have decided that the portable power station is what they want to buy. They just want to make sure that it fits their budget. So at the very top here, how to type content, how to charge your battery while outside or camping or backpacking. These two can be interchangeable, but I like to separate them out, best X for Y or best X under Y. The next thing that people are potentially asking are review type content, type content. And so we can come back over here and we can do let's grab our product, the Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 240. We're going to copy this once again, and we are going to paste this right into YouTube, and we're going to type in review. Now this will work for any traffic source. But we look at this, honest 2-year review of the Jackery Explorer 240. This one, 22,000 views, only 1,000 subscribers. So once again, you see that this works. They're giving a review. And then you just, obviously you would put your affiliate link. The one that I forgot, let's go back over here for a second. And we're just going to do X versus Y. X versus Y. And so if we think about this, people are asking the question, how to charge your battery outside. Next, they're looking for best X for Y, best portable power station for home use. And this is going to be a list. So you're going to list the 5 or 10 best. Best X under Y, once again, this is going to be a list of 5 or 10. And then what people are doing is they have picked out this Jackery whatever, and they're going to compare it to their competitors. So if we come back over to Jackery, we could type in Jackery versus like this, and you can see here that people are comparing the 240 versus the 350. If we scroll down, let's go back up here, and we're just going to do Jackery versus. Look at this, Jackery versus their competitors. Top result, 46,000 views, 49,000 subscribers. 4,000 views, only 1,000 subscribers. So once again, you see this working. And then 18,000 views here, 602 subscribers. So if we come back over to our funnel here, again, at the top are going to be the most people. So we could do like 10 people. Down here are going to be the fewest people because they are filtering out. Either they're coming down here and they're buying right away, or they're going over to a different solution, or the problem wasn't as big of a problem as they thought. That does happen from time to time too. And so as you create this type of content, you are simply going to answer the question, for example, how to charge your battery. Let's go back over here, and we're going to do how to charge a smartphone while camping. You are going to give maybe 5 or 6 ways for them to charge their smartphone. One of them is going to be this portable power station that we found. You're going to put a link to the portable power station in the description of your videos, and they might just decide to buy. That's why we have this line here that goes straight to the money. They might decide to buy right away. If they don't, you're going to continue to create these different types of content, pushing them to buy. You're going to add a call to action to all of your video content to get them to buy. Say, hey, look, if you want my #1 recommended portable power station to charge your smartphone, click the first link in the description. That's going to send them to this buying opportunity. We're going to talk more about that link in a second. And you're going to do this for every piece of content, and you can make money at each one of these steps. So that is step number 3, keyword research. Step number 4, again, is you're going to create the content to answer the question. One of the biggest mistakes that affiliate marketers make is they don't actually answer the question. They just jump to buy, buy, buy. At each one of these stages, your customer is looking for an answer. They're looking for you because you are the subject matter expert. You have done the research or hired someone to do the research for you, and you are going to provide that solution. And so make sure that you are answering the question thoroughly. If there are 5, if there are 5 portable power stations, give a list of the 5, give the reasons why you like them and the reasons why you don't like them. Don't just say that all of them are great. Do that at every level. Do that especially at the review level. The reason why it's important at the review level is most people are smart now. They realize that review videos are just people trying to get them to buy something. If you can talk about the pros and the cons, the good and the bad, you are going to strengthen that connection with your target audience, increasing the chances of them buying. So you're going to create this content. If you are on YouTube, create 3 videos per week to get started. The more videos you create, the better. If you're on TikTok, you probably want to do 3 to 4 videos per day. But the good thing is that they're short videos and you can actually do more how-to content. If you're doing something like TikTok, use stories. Talk about how you went camping and your battery died. And it was the most traumatizing experience that you've ever gone through because you started hearing stuff in the woods, your car broke down, whatever it is. And so you want to make sure that you are telling stories to get them to this buying part. You can also do reviews and comparisons, but make sure you have more stories where you are building that relationship or connection on something like short format. Long format like blogs, YouTube videos, those are for people that are searching for a solution to the problem. Short format content like shorts, YouTube shorts, and TikTok are for people that are looking for stories and they want to build a connection. But simply go out and create that content. And what I recommend that you do is in any piece of content that you create, add a link and a call to action. But what I recommend that you do, if you're looking to build a 6-figure business with Amazon, I recommend that you actually collect their email address. Now, the reason why this is important is you want to make more money with fewer people. And the best way to do that is to collect emails. Now, I'll put a link in the description to Aweber. It is my favorite email marketing software. It's free for your first 500 subscribers, so you're not even paying anything. But you want to collect emails because you want to sell them more stuff. And if they are interested and if they're looking into how to charge a smartphone while camping, they're probably interested in other camping stuff. If we're selling them this Jackery portable generator, they probably will want solar panels for it. And that's an additional thing that you can market to them. They might want a backpack, the best backpack for backpacking. They might want hiking boots or fishing. They're going to potentially want all sorts of stuff. If they're doomsday preppers, they're going to want a bunch of stuff to live off the grid. And you can really find out what your target audience wants by collecting their email. Now, to collect their email, and let's see if we can just move this over. To collect their email, you are going to create a landing page. A landing page is going to target a pain point. And in that landing page, you are going to potentially give them something for free. So let me just draw this out here for you real quick. So we're going to put traffic, T for traffic, and then you are going to send them to a landing page. This landing page is going to say how to do X without Y so you can Z. Okay, you're going to give away a free gift. It can be an ebook, a cheat sheet. It can be a video training like how to charge your car battery in under 20 minutes. And then on this second page here, this is a thank you page. You can send them to the different offers. You can create a simple page here with 4 or 5 buttons. One could be to the solar panel, the Jackery thing that we mentioned. One could be to hiking boots. Make sure that whatever you're sending them to is congruent. And when they click this, these are going to be affiliate links to Amazon. And when they click these and buy, you earn a commission. And you could actually add in other affiliate links as well. But this is the great thing about affiliate marketing with email marketing. And so when they enter in their name and their email and they press submit, it's going to get added to a landing page. And what you're going to do is you're simply going to send them emails whenever you have new information, whenever you have new content. If you create a new YouTube video, send them an email saying, hey, look, I just uploaded a brand new YouTube video with my 5 best solar panels for 2022. Updated for 2022. And when people click on that, they go to your YouTube channel, you'll grow your YouTube channel, and they click on your affiliate links and buy. And so that is how you can potentially make more money. And this actually works out very, very well. So just to recap real quick, our steps are: number 1, pick a niche. Number 2, pick a traffic source. Number 3, do keyword research or figure out what your target audience wants to know. Number 4, create content. Number 5, email marketing. Now that you know how to start Amazon affiliate marketing step by step, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with stuff that you already have. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.